Hey, what's up everyone? Jason here. So we're going to be continuing our technical analysis and price prediction of Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, for anybody that is new here, I do make crypto related content, doing technical analysis and price predictions every single day, talking about many other cryptocurrencies. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. And of course, for everybody, a like to this video does go a long way, really helps me out to spreading the content to more people that might find it interesting. So now looking over at what we got going on with Ethereum right now, we really haven't seen much go on with the price movement yet. Now I'm saying that right now that we are getting ready to kick off this third wave. Not too sure though if we have completed a second wave yet. Now we have these multiple waves that are within this, and I'm calling this whole correction that we have seen just part of a correction that's going to send us into the upside. So I'm saying that wave 5 and the start of this new impulse that we got going on right now is was the bottom for Ethereum, and then now what we're seeing is the new formation of hopefully a 5 wave to the upside using Elliot wave theory. So a couple things that are worth updating about Ethereum right now is, I haven't mentioned this recently, and that is here on the weekly chart, we have the 200-week moving average, and Ethereum needs to reattempt to try to get above that. Now, Ethereum has never really spent much time below this 200-week moving average. When we did drop below that within the month of June, we've had a couple attempts now to try to stay above it, and I think it's just a matter of time, especially as this 200-week moving average is just moving sideways now with Ethereum, and that at some point we are going to be able to break above it and sustain above it. And one of the reasons why I think that's going to happen is I've been talking about this bull market support band here, and this bull market support band is very close to having Ethereum just be on the other side of it just by default, due to the fact that it continues to drop and Ethereum's price really hasn't changed much at all. So, and you can get a really good idea looking over here on the daily chart. So the bull market support band updates every single week, and Ethereum is just going to continue trading sideways, if it's even going to be able to move up a little bit. But as it goes into this next week, it's going to be at around that price of $1,500, which in my opinion, if we were to see just a little bit of a price bump like we had seen in just a couple weeks ago, where we saw Ethereum's price work its way up to around $1,800, if we were to see that again as we get in the next week, then we might be able to see Ethereum be on the other side of the bull market support band, just due to the fact that it's been dropping so much. And that could be a very bullish stance for Ethereum to take. Now, obviously right now it's the bear market resistance band. So as far as how things are going right now at this moment with Ethereum, we are trending very nicely within the 618 Fibonacci level at a price at around $1,300. So it's holding on with a lot of support here, and it's been here for about a week now. So nice that it is trading sideways, and hopefully this does lead to some upside potential. Now, no guarantees that we have completed this wave 2 yet. This wave 2 could still go down more, and we can also see this ABC pattern that we have here lead into another wave, and this be a wave 1, wave 2, a wave 3, and then have a wave 4 that will take us into some upside, and then of course a wave 5 that will go down into the downside. So I mean, we can still expect that would be a possibility that could happen. But at least right now, let's just hope that we are just going to see this become the a wave 3 pattern to take us up with more upside to go. That, of course, would surpass this Fibonacci level. When we surpass that, that would be that big breakout that I expect that we would see. Now, I do have a very bullish price prediction. As many of you know, that I do expect the price of Ethereum to go up within this wave 3 and go to a price at around $3,000. So cross our fingers with that one, but I expect that we are going to see some upwards momentum in the month of October. Been saying that for a while, and I don't mean to sound like a broken record to anybody that has been following along here, but that's what's currently going on. So we are holding on very nicely within the 618 Fibonacci level, and I expect that this breakout at some point could happen, but of course, do always expect that there could be more downside to go before we get there. So anyways, I'll leave things right here. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Talk about plenty of cryptocurrency. So be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.